Hi there. Thanks for purchasing a KIOT NEXA Switch. In this video, we'll show you how to install it. First, let's make sure you have everything you need to successfully complete installation. Open the switchboard you want to automate. Identify the wiring inside the switchboard. Connect your switch controller. Test the switch controller to ensure the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Get ready to install. Collect all the tools required to complete the installation. For this, you will need a screwdriver, tester, and pliers. Now identify the switchboard you want to automate with the NEXA device. Also, make sure you have a neutral wire inside the switchboard. Neutral connection is mandatory for the NEXA switch. In the absence of neutral wire, please draw a neutral wire from the nearest point. Otherwise, this installation may not be possible. Installation requires handling high voltage wiring. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid injury. If that makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a qualified electrician to help you out. To start off with, go to your MCB panel. Identify the circuit breaker connected to the respective switchboard and turn them off. If your breakers aren't labeled, turn off the mains supply. Now, let's get to step 2. Open the switchboard. Now that your power is off, we can safely unmount your wall plate from the switchboard. Then, using a screwdriver, open your switchboard. Alright, so now that the switchboard is open, let's get to identifying all the wires in it. Phase wire is the red wire. It is connected to all the appliance switches in the switchboard. The neutral wire is the black wire. It is almost always black in color, and is either connected to a socket or left free with insulation taping inside the switchboard. Load wires are usually blue or yellow and have connections to different loads. The green one is the ground wire and is usually connected to a socket. Although unavailability of ground will not impact the setup. Now let's get to connecting the NEXA switch. On it, you can see positions marked N, P and numbered slots to their right. N refers to neutral point, P refers to phase point, and the numbered slots are the load terminals where you've to connect the appliance load wires. The virtual wires are the wires that will replace the load wires at the corresponding load pins inside the switchboard. Make a connection from the neutral wire to the point marked N. Next, connect the phase wire to the point P. Do not skip this part. Only a single phase wire should go into the phase point. Do not join multiple phase wires coming from inverter or generator with main phase wire and connect them to the phase point. If you're using inverter phase, it's best if they're from sine wave inverters as they offer smooth performance with our device. After that, remove the load wires and connect them to the load terminals. Make sure to note the load terminal number corresponding to each load connection you made. Now connect the virtual wires to the load pins on the switchboard. Make sure to connect the wires to the correct load pins. Once you're done with all the connections, insert the NEXA switch inside the switchboard and reattach its wall plate firmly back onto the wall. Please note that, electrical fluctuations inside the switchboard may at times hinder optimal switch performance. Alright, let's finish off the installation by testing our NEXA switch. Switch on the power. Now, toggle the switches on and off. Ensure that the appliances are functioning smoothly. And there you go, we're done with the installation of the NEXA switch. Now you can download and configure your KIOT app to use it to control your appliances from anywhere in the world.